Now we're going to start our first assignment. We've saved and named our document, and in the gray toolbar area, the frame of the window, it says the name of our document here. Now, before we get started doing any typing, we have to look and make sure we're in the right view. If I start typing now, I'm in whole page view. It's too small. So I'm going to change my view, go to View, down to Zoom. I'm going to go into Page Width, click OK. Now I can see what I'm typing. So type in your name, then hit Return, type in your date, return the period or class that you're in, return, and then the word computers, because that's what you're learning right now. Now once you've done that, we need to take this heading and we need to move it over to this side of the paper, onto the right side. So to do that, I'm going to introduce you to my Best Friends Club. And the best friends are at the top in your toolbar and in your ribbon. So here they are in the ribbon, and here they are in the ribbon, and here they are in the toolbar. And if you're not using this version, you're going to find them up there as well. They're in your standard or formatting toolbars. Now these four best friends look alike, but they do different things. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, we're going to click and we're going to drag across and highlight all four lines of our heading. That's highlighting them. Now we're going to go up to our best friends and we're going to play around and see what these best friends do. So when you open the computer, your best friend that is defaulted, that means automatically loaded with the computer, is Align Text Left. And that puts everything on the left and it's nice and straight on the far left side. That's the margin. Now if I click on this next button, this is Miss Center of Attention. She thinks she's all that, so she moves everything into the center and it bops perfectly in the center. You don't need to hit any space bar or tabs. You never want to hit space bar or tab when you're moving things. You want to use your alignment buttons. That's your Best Friends Club. Now if I hit this one here, this is Mr. Right, and he moves everything over onto the right. So on the far right we have a straight line on the margin, and he always looks so dapper. He's Mr. Right. Now this last one here is Miss Justify. Nobody really knows for sure what she does. It takes a while to learn what she does. So when we click Justify, it looks like she doesn't do much, but she really does, and we'll talk about her later. But just remember, that's Miss Justify. So we have Miss Align Left. She is the Miss Dependable. She's always the one that's the default. We have Miss Center of Attention, Mr. Right, and Mysterious Miss Justify. So click Mr. Right and then click behind the word computers. That means right on the right side of the S, behind the word computers. Hit Return twice. That's going to give you a space in between the heading and what we're going to do next. Then we're going to click back to Miss Dependable, Align Left. Go back up to your toolbars, to your Best Friends Club, click Align Left. Now it's bebopping right on this side, on the left. So now type in lesson vocabulary, colon, and hit Return. And we're going to start our list of first words and definitions for this lesson. So remember, these are your best friends here: Miss Dependable, Miss Align Left, Miss Center of Attention, Mr. Right, and Mysterious Miss Justify. Talk to you later.